I'm going to do is take you very quickly through the basics of the program and try and cover the kinds of things you should know if you're looking at applying. We are predominantly about taking mid-career technical professionals and making them ready to take leadership positions in the engineering and product development areas of their companies.
It really struck me that even though my technical background is really extensive, I really lacked a business perspective of all these activities.
Engineers can have great ideas, but really it's management and the leadership team that actually make those ideas happen. So you really need both of those together to become an engineering leader.
It is a good, solid course. You're going to work hard when you go through the degree program. There are 11 required courses. You can take typically 3 to 4 electives, and you will write a thesis. I think one of the best things about the program is we have a really high degree of diversity. So what you learn is enriched by the fact that the people you're learning it with are coming from not only a variety of international cultures, but also coming from a lot of different industries. By working on teams with people who work with different backgrounds and in different sectors of the economy, you're going to see different approaches to solving those problems.
I did my undergraduate in mechanical engineering at Stanford, and then also my graduate master's in aeronautics and astronautics there. And I went straight to Lockheed Martin after that and was selected for an engineering leadership management program. They pay for a master's degree in any project or program that you want to go through. So I went looking through, and it was a real tough decision. And in the end, I think it was my dad who told me, you need to go see something new.
I'm an entrepreneur. I have a small company. We've got 25 guys who aren't getting paid very much, who are stretched out over many, many states. I saw this as something I needed to be better.
I started to look for places where I could learn from the best. And really for that is there's only one place.
I saw the advantage of a program like this, and then that distance piece comes in, and that actually makes it doable.
Since we're a distance program and want to remain career compatible, strive to use the best distance technology and have you get as close to the feeling of the folks sitting in the classroom as you can, whether you're local or at a distance.
At a sporting event, huge jumbotron, okay? Imagine that with your face on it, okay? And all of a sudden somebody says, Konstantin, what do you think about that? Okay? You could actually be any place on Earth. And you can then answer the question.
Surprisingly, it does work. I was surprised at how well the distance-based system works. Distance-based almost has an advantage of the fact that since you're actually at an organization, you can already start applying the principles right away, as soon, every single day that you're working. If you're doing on campus, it's amazing, it's a great experience, but I would say that distance also has a lot of richness to add.
I found the SDM program, and it really struck me that it's an extremely beautiful combination of exactly what I needed. In that sense, it was just jam, and you could shape your education, and you don't have to sacrifice your background. The program actually exceeded my expectations.
The SDM program offered a really good combination of, firstly, program content and the distance option, which really works. So this is why I chose SDM, and honestly, it has exceeded all of my expectations.